Pretty sure I hit one of them. Spencer, I'm moving up on you. Is there anyone in here? Where are they shooting at us from? Where's he, in the other door? Safety. All right. I wasn't expecting you to pop out on me like that. We were both just like, oh shit! Safety! Hit! Ow! You're in the lip. Alright, got a friendly moving across. Ow, that hurt. That was a good shot, too. I didn't even have my head poking out. Your hat's on the ground there.
Yeah.
Yeah, I killed them all and they went and respawned because it's instant respawn. What do you see? Are we clear to move out? Yeah, you go first. Watch that corner. Hold on. Hit! Hit my gun while taking it because I wouldn't believe that. Yeah, they're on the other door. No, don't go in there. Yeah, sorry about that. Thank you. All right, you. Yeah, there were two of them right in the door there. That's right, I got one of them because they got you. Came in the corner, he was like, oh no! He was like, that guy, Right. Is that our guy? I think it's our guy. I don't want to go in here again. Let's go around. Shit, reloading. What? The reloading. Wow, I didn't even have my sight on. Yep. Hit! Every time they respawn, I get shot in the face. That's alright. At least they're ballsy enough to respawn while we're there, you know? They're not like stupid and like wimping out. I'm happy about that. Keeps the game going. Yeah, they're pretty decent. I mean, there's a lot of back and forth. It's the same spot too. Every time I die, I mean, every time I'm up there when they're all dead, they respawn and shoot me in the face every time. I'm like, okay, yeah. Bullshit, but it's a good shot. It's pretty cool. Let's check first. That was good. I liked it.
What's your name?
Josh.
What are you running?
D-Boy Scar L. With a bunch of stuff inside it that I put in it.
Pretty sweet.
I enjoy it very
What
much.
do you think of the last match?
That was pretty fun. The other team was pretty evenly matched, so it wasn't like a slaughter fest, which was nice. Good back. We had some good back and forth. I liked it.
All right.
Woo!